Hello everybody, welcome back to One Twist Tip. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'll be guiding you on how you can block someone on Tinder. To get started, go ahead and open up Tinder application. Now the user face will appear somewhat like this. Here you can block two type of persons, which is the one that you are matched with and another one that you don't like. So in order to block someone who is matched with you, what you should do is head over to your chat section and all the matches will be available in there. And in order to block them, you just have to go to their profile and the block option will be available there. You'll just go ahead and tap on block and confirm it. That's all how you can block someone on Tinder. And the other way is to go ahead and go back to your home screen or the home page. So for example, I want to block this individual. What I can do is tap on their profile, tap on that arrow sign. Now if you scroll all the way down, you can see the essentials. Tap on it and the block option will be available in there, and confirm it. Doing so will successfully help you block someone on Tinder. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.